Service in Burlington has issued a tornado warning for northern Franklin County in northern New York, west central Clinton County in northern New York, until 1:30 p.m. At 1:01 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado